This is Jimit Shah. Welcome to the Gyms Automation. So today we'll see our another practical of RTO timer. Here we'll switch off this PLC and we'll see that whether your timer is getting value the same holding value or not. Okay, so I have made a program over here. So what I'll do, please note we have connected our toggle switch to input. This is my toggle switch, input number 4. Okay, so if I'll turn on that switch, okay, my RTO timer will be on. Okay, and after 60 seconds of delay, my LED green light should turn on. This should turn on. Okay, this is output number 2. But here the twist is we have used RTO. So I want to experiment that if even my PLC is getting off power supply, we will turn off this power supply and we will check that this value is getting stored or not. Okay, so what we will do, we will turn on this input, let this be around 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Then after we will turn off this and turn on, and then again we will come online with this and we'll monitor that whether what is the time right now. Okay, is it happening from 0 or it is resuming from that stored value, right? So what I'll do, simply turn on this input number 4. So my timer is activated. Can you see my LED light is not on yet? Okay, so it is increasing. My timer has started 5 7 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll quickly switch off this PLC with the help of this MCB. I'm turning off this PLC. Okay, so I'll go offline because the communication is broken. So it will show me that go offline symbolization, right? So uh, I can I'm not pressing anything as of now. Okay, and here I'll turn on this PLC. Okay, I turn on the PLC and I'll get the ping. Once I get the ping reply, we'll try to connect this PLC once again. See, now I'm getting a ping reply, right? That means I can click on retry. Now can you see it is increasing 6 7 27 28 29 something. It is not started from 0. My PLC is started, and that value was something around 17 to 18. So to coming online it took 5 to 10 seconds. So now after resuming my PLC, okay, that value I was stored, and that from that value the timer has started. So this is the beauty of RTO timer. It was not started from 0. So after 60 seconds of delay, it is 55 56 57 58 59 60, right? 1 minute of delay, my output is turned on. So this is how you can practically see the retentive timer. Even if your input is off, even if your PLC is off, this accumulated value will be stored in your PLC, right? So this is the practical of RTO timer. Thank you so much for watching. This is all from Gyms Automation. See you in the next class. Thank you.